Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 1 of the course. My name is Sue Pratt, and I'll be your instructor for this course this semester. So these screencast videos will be embedded each week in the slides, and they'll also be right on the DC Connect page for the week. And you're welcome to use them. It's just if you like to have the slides narrated, then they might be helpful for you. Sometimes I'll actually read what's on the slides. Sometimes I'm just expecting you because there's nothing extra to say. I try to create an agenda each week that will let you know what will be happening during our synchronous class meeting if you choose to attend, and kind of what you'll be expected to do at home. If there's going to be an assignment that I'm talking about, I try to highlight it here to give you a heads up reminder about that. This slide has a link to my LinkedIn page. If you want to know a little bit about me, what I've taught, where I've worked, I invite you to take a look. So just like in most of your courses, we're going to start by taking a look at the course outline. So I encourage you to go to DC Connect and go to the content menu item, and there's a folder called Overview. And I encourage you to download the course outline and actually print it and keep it forever. That way, if you ever want to get credit for this course in the future, and somebody says, "What did you do? What did you take?" you'll have the course outline that'll be required. Or if you want to get exempt from taking a similar course in a few years when you change programs or something or go back to school, you'll need a course outline. Okay, so give me a moment or two to go get that course outline. On the course outline, it starts with learning outcomes. Those are things that you're going to be taught and evaluated on. And it also has things called EESs, which are essential employability skills. So these are things that I'll probably teach and I might evaluate them. The next part of the course outline lists all of the assessments and how much they're going to be weighted at and what course learning outcomes and EESs they evaluate. The next slides, I'm just going to let you go through them on your own, and you'll see a little bit of a description of each one, including the due dates. All of the reflections are due, I think I put them all on a Sunday night, and all of the other assignments are due at the beginning of class. So if you're a Monday student, beginning of class Mondays, Tuesday student, beginning of class Tuesdays, and so on. Okay, so these are the assignments. And if we go to DC Connect, we'll do this when we meet synchronously, go to DC Connect, and you can actually see the welcome. So yours will say Tuesday for your Tuesday class. And if you scroll down the page, you'll see because I list everything, all the assignments in this activities assignments menu, then they're all going to appear on your calendar. So I hope that's helpful. And each week, like this week, this is where you'll see the content that's going to be delivered, sort of that same agenda, but then a little bit more detail. And if you go to the gradebook, under the menu item called activities, there's assignments. This is where, sorry, this isn't gradebook. This is where you can find a list of all of the assignments. And when you click on them, you can actually see the assignment if there is like a sheet of paper or something with instructions or a template to complete, and it lists the due dates. And I'm going to end this little video here, and we'll come back at slide 20.